In this video, we'll show you how to send out an automated happy birthday to your customers via newsletter. Simply navigate to the menu item, Automation Thea. Create a new campaign by clicking the button. To set up your birthday campaign, head to the Advanced Workflow tab and select the birthday template. You're welcome to use the template with the 3 elements as is if you'd like. The first thing you need to do is set up the calendar trigger. This lets you choose when you want your birthday email to be sent out. Select Daily and schedule a specific time to send out your email. For the second element, define the recipient list you want to send your birthday campaign to. Set up the segment that filters your customers according to their birthdays to get this done. People celebrating their birthday on the day you send out our email are grouped by segment and then receive your newsletter. The newsletter is the third element of your automation workflow. Create a new email directly here using a birthday template from our catalog and design it to suit your company. Decide on a subject line and all other send out details. Now it's time to activate your automation workflow. Automatically sending birthday emails ensures you never miss another birthday. Show your customers you care by sending them a congratulatory message or a discount code. Check out our Help Center for more details and guides on email automation.